Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and thumbnail in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved a knotless braided look with these leftover extensions. Funny enough, I have tried doing knotless braids countless times, but I've never been able to get it right. So basically, I would say that this is my first time doing knotless braids. The method I used may not be 100%, but in my books, it's a plus for me and a step towards perfecting this technique. So stay tuned and watch as I braid my hair. To start with, I parted my hair into two sections, the front section and the back section, and I started at the front because I wanted you guys to see what I was actually doing, and I think it also helped me to get the technique right because I could also see what I was doing. And what I simply did was to braid my hair and add some extensions as the size of my, the size of the strand or the section I was working with reduced. And the whole idea was also to achieve a very lightweight look, because my last knotless braids were very heavy. I went to do it in a salon. I'm not saying that the stylist didn't do well, it's just that it seemed she used a lot of hair. So after about some weeks, the hair was very heavy for me and it was creating tension on my scalp.
Taking time to stand for your right. Don't move it anyway. Have the heart to fight. Change is coming, the time is near. Don't lose yourself in all your fear. Take a breath and stand for your right. Don't move it anyway. Have the heart to fight. Everything will be okay, 'cause everything will be okay. Taking time to stand for your right. Don't move it anyway. Have the heart to fight.
So as you can see, I place the extension at the back behind what I'm braiding, and I make sure to get the knotless look. Yeah, this is not really a tutorial, so I can't really tell what I'm doing, but if I'm ever to do another knotless video, it will be a detailed tutorial. So you guys just enjoy this and stay tuned and watch as I achieve this style. So when I get to the end of my natural hair, I tie the ends with the extensions because I'm going to curl it. Okay, I'm not braiding to the tip. I had work on Monday and it was actually the weekend, I think Saturday, and I had to finish and do other things. So I decided to just braid it to the length of my hair and curl the ends. So it wasn't that perfect at first, but as it went on, the hair became, I got a grip on the technique actually, so it was good.
You don't know what's going on with me, but I know it's haunting me. I need your love to set me free. Listen to me. Please think about me, baby.
to the last braid and I couldn't be happier. I was really happy with how this turned out even before I added the curls. So I'm going to braid the rest of the remainder and dip my hair in hot water to achieve the curls. So this is the next day, and as I was unraveling the curls, I was so excited at how it turned out. It was extremely light and I loved it. Like you couldn't even feel that there was added extensions to my hair. It was so light to the extent I felt like my own hair, and I really loved it. As you can see, I was just dancing and doing things in this video. I really loved it. Wow. And I'm definitely going to try this style again. I think this is the end of my salon visit because it was only Knotless that sends me to the salon. Only Knotless braids that send me to the salon. But after this, I think, my hairstylist is going to be mad because I may not go to her this year because I know how to do Knotless. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.